Hello everyone and welcome to another Tuesday 2-minute tech tip, and today we're going to give you a tip about Excel and how to use conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, as the name suggests, is formatting the cells within Excel based upon different conditions. So very simply what we can do is if we select this column here which contains a value, we can then go into the conditional formatting tab, and we have various different rules. So we're going to go with colour scales here. So if I just hover over it, I haven't clicked on it yet, it shows us what will happen if we apply this formatting. So we can see here it's highlighting the lower numbers in red and going through a colour scale to highlight the higher numbers in green. If we hover over that one, it's the opposite. So let's just click on that and apply that. So we can see here as we scroll down, we've got different color value, different colors based upon the value. The higher the number, the redder it is, the lower the number, the greener it is, and through that color scale. So that's very simple. Another thing we can do, we can actually format cells based upon their value. So if I highlight these columns and go to conditional format, and so we can choose highlight cell rules, and then we can say equal to, and what that will do, it will pop up and ask us to what value we're looking for. So if we say n, it will highlight all of anything that has the letter n in with red. And we can add another rule here, highlight cell rules and equal to, and say y. Now that's highlighting everything in red that's y, so nothing stands out. We can simply go here and change that to green. Okay, so anything that's no is red, anything that's yes is green. If we change that to no, it dynamically changes the color. Great. We can also do conditional formatting based upon dates as well. So here we have a date column. So in here I want to say highlight cells rule and date occurring. So if we say we want to look for things occurring next week, so we want to highlight actions perhaps, say okay, nothing's happened. But if we scroll down and we look, so these are dates occurring next week, and it's highlighted them automatically in red. So it's a good way of being able to highlight things and change the formatting of things within Excel to help things stand out, also to emphasize different things. And there's loads you can do with the conditional formatting based on formulas and everything else, which is too much to go into now. But I hope that gives you an idea of what you can do with conditional formatting, and you can have a play around with it yourself. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it useful.